This is from my sister, by the way. Thank you, sis. Sorry, back to the video. This whole thing started just because I wanted to do something different for a date and proving to be a disaster. This is probably going to be a very wild video. So let's see how it be. Hear me, people of the world and members of the Artcast family. It's your girl Naomi Gatthis, reporting live from Earth. But a different location. As you can see, the background is different, not the usual gold background, and this is because I moved, so we have a white background, which is even better. So anyways, this is going to be my first hair video. For quite a while now, a lot of people have been requesting for me to do hair videos, and that was before I dropped my video How to Love Yourself, where I cut my hair, or I announced that I had cut my hair. So it was quite disappointing for a lot of people to see that, but also they understood. But now that the hair is growing back, I decided to do or begin my hair journey. So when I cut my hair, I was so determined, and I was like, I'm going to start making DIY products, from shampoo, conditioner, every single thing to help my hair grow fast. A girl can dream, right? Since I cut my hair like 2 months ago, I haven't done any of that. Well, I did do the oil, but 2 months ago, and I've only used it like twice. I haven't gotten around other things. I did make a flaxseed gel at one point in time, but that's all by the way. So my hair growth journey hasn't exactly started, but thankfully my hair is also growing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh shit, so I see a lot of people using styling mousse for this procedure. I say like a surgery. I see a lot of people using styling mousse for this, and when I moved, among other things, I also forgot my styling mousse, my brush, and my tooth comb. So we're going to be improvising in this, and this is my first time doing finger waves, so this is also new to me as well as it is for some people who would be watching this. And I'm going to be using just Eco Styling Gel, and also another one that seems to be Eco Styling Gel. This is from my sister, by the way. Thank you, sis. Sorry, back to the video. So I'm going to begin by parting my hair. And now, I attempted parting my hair before and I couldn't even see it, so you might not see the part that I make in this video at all, but just keep in mind that there's a part somewhere that I'm following with my mirror right here, and I'm going to just create the part first, then I'm going to apply gel to slip, or to what's the real word for this? I don't know. If you know, comment below. But to like press the hair down and just make it ready for fingering.
That's true.
The sun is so wild today, even with the whole blind and all of that. So basically you can see a pat right there. I don't know, do you see it? Okay, I see it. Then I'm going to apply Eco Styling Gel all over my hair at this point in time. I was going to go for the thick one first, but I figured that I probably want to make this slip first before I do that. So yes, Eco it is. What? Oh shit. So my goat case is being very unprofessional today, so that is why we have changed where we're going to keep this. But I'm going to try to put it on again so you guys can see me. So basically right now I'm just applying Eco Styling Gel all over my hair. This is probably going to be a very wild video, but okay. We're still doing this. We're still doing this. This whole thing started just because I wanted to do something different for a date, and proving to be a disaster. But yeah, this is not the comb I would usually use, but you know, I forgot most of my stuff, so
the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now?
After combing the hair, I use my hands to kind of like press it down to the direction that I want to go, and now we could see the path coming along, so not so bad so far. Honestly, if I had known, I would have probably used the smaller gel, not the Eco Styling gel, for this part, because I see that it's the Eco Styling gel is just like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just nasty. So let's go.
Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me down, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now?
This is the first time I'm using any artificial product for my hair since, you know, I cut my hair. So this is gonna be like, if this doesn't go to finger waves, I'm just going to leave this as a press down, and that's that.
Cause the problem is I love you.
Okay, now that everything seems pressed down, I'm going to attempt the finger waves. God help me.
I love you. What you do now? Do now. Cause the problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you.
This is some perplexed shit. Normally I always follow through with my fingers, but I feel like with the finger waves you might want to do it first before you go finger in. Okay. Well, I guess that's not bad. I guess it's not that bad. Well, I'm not exactly sure how this is going to turn out considering the fuck-ups we had initially. So, however it comes out, it comes out. Usually I use a chiffon cloth, but I couldn't find that, so I use this Ankara cloth to wrap my hair. It's very thin layer, like very thin layer, so I'm not using heavy clothing or whatnot. So let's see how it be. That was a complete flop. So I'm going to try this again tomorrow without the Eco Styling gel, and we'll see how it be.